to your IELTS review video. In today's episode, we're talking about childhood skills. So let's get started. The question that could arise is something like this. Describe a person who taught you a skill when you were a child. A basic answer could be a person who played a significant role in teaching me valuable skills during my childhood was my mother. Or instead, a more advanced answer could be someone who had a profound impact on my childhood by imparting essential skills was my mother. What skills have they taught you? She taught me how to bake cookies from scratch. Or she skillfully passed on the art of baking cookies from basic ingredients. How did they teach you? She patiently guided me through each step, from measuring ingredients to using the oven. Or her patient guidance involved meticulous explaining each stage, encompassing ingredients measurement and oven utilization. Why do you think it's important? I believe this skill is essential as it allowed me to create homemade treats and share moments with loved ones. I viewed this skill as pivotal, enabling me to craft homemade delights and fostering cherished moments of togetherness. Okay, that's all the questions. Next is our reading passage. It's intended to give you more of an insight into the topic at hand, so read along with me at home. During childhood, individuals are often exposed to various learning experiences, guided by family members and mentors. These mentors can be parents, siblings, grandparents, or even close friends. They impart skills that not only prove useful in practical situations, but also hold sentimental value. The skills taught during childhood can vary widely, encompassing both practical and creative areas. From cooking and baking to swimming, painting, and playing musical instruments, these skills contribute to an individual's personal growth and self-confidence. Others may prefer a guided approach, allowing the child to learn through observation and verbal guidance. Mentors utilize different approaches to teach skills to children. Some might opt for a hands-on method, involving the child in the process step by step. The impact of childhood skills teaching goes beyond the practical use of the skill itself. Learning a new skill under the guidance of a trusted mentor fosters a sense of accomplishment and boosts self-esteem. The child learns to set goals, overcome challenges, and embrace the joy of mastering something new. Skills acquired during childhood often stay with individuals throughout their lives. These skills not only serve as hobbies, but can also become an integral part of one's identity. For instance, a culinary skill taught by a parent can develop into a lifelong passion for cooking, eventually to lead into a career in the culinary arts. Okay, I hope you found that enjoyable. Next up is our range of vocabulary expressions. Take a look at some of these and see if you can use them yourself. Emotional bonds, shaping values, influence, mentor and skill teaching, sentimental value and personal growth, emotional bonds, perspectives, impact, appreciation. And lastly for today, our paraphrasing exercises. Have a go at putting some of these into your own words at home. Describe a person who taught you a skill when you were a child. Instead, you could say, who was the individual who imparted this skill to you during your childhood? What skills did they teach you? Which abilities or talents did they help you acquire? How did they teach you? How did they go about imparting this knowledge to you? Why do you think it's important? Why do you consider the skill to be valuable? Similarly, with paraphrasing statements, you can also have a go. Instead of saying, they played a significant role in shaping my abilities, you could say, they greatly influenced my skills. Or, their contribution was vital in molding my capabilities. Another statement, the skills I learned will then have sentimental value. You could instead say, the ability I acquired from them hold emotional significance. And then there are two more statements there for you to do by yourself, as well as some paraphrasing descriptions. I wish you the best of luck with that. As always, Thank you very much for listening. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.